We made a mistake.
We're going to be completely honest with you. In our last video about the two-point perspective, we showed you something that isn't really 100% correct.
And because we don't want false knowledge spreading through the world and everyone getting their shading wrong, we would like to point out the mistake.
We actually found out about the mistake because our professor for hand drawing from the university where we studied wrote us and pointed out the problem. So big thanks to her. We're really glad she did this. You rock.
Thanks.
Okay, let's look at what was not completely correct. It's actually just a small thing, a detail in the construction of the shadow.
Remember the last video about drawing and shading in two-point perspective? You can check out the link to it in the description below so you know what we're talking about right now. I told you that shadow is constructed by first connecting the foot of the light source with the bottom edges of the cube with construction lines, and then connecting the point of the light source with the top edges of the cube. Where these construction lines of each single edge meet are the corners of the shadow outline. And what I did wrong in the last drawing is that I wrongly marked one of the points. I actually marked a wrong intersection. How it's supposed to be is like this. The line going through the top of the back cube edge and the line going through the bottom of the back cube edge actually intersect here. And this is how the shadow is supposed to look. Oops. So, once again, big thanks to our professor, and I'm sorry to you people.
But, as the great Bob Ross said, we don't make mistakes, just happy little accidents. And if you want to experience some more happy little accidents in the future, you can also subscribe.
You know what to do, keep on drawing, and see you next time.
Great that our professor watches our videos.
Yeah,
I'm really thrilled. Like, I am really thrilled.
me too.